what you want. I'm not getting up. Do what you want to me. I'm not coming. You're wasting your time. Kill me if you want, kill me if you want. I won the election. I won the election. Do what you want to me. Kill me if you want. Kill me if you want. I've lost enough. I've lost enough. Now, you are free to break my leg. You are free to break my leg. I'm not coming. I'm not coming, Afande. I'm not coming. I'm not coming. I'm not coming, Afande. I'm not coming. You are free to break my legs. No. They want to announce the person I want. I'm not coming out. I know. And the difference is 10,000. I already know from you. You guys, you've already told me. I already know. I already know what you want to do. I won the election. I doubled my opponents. And you want to declare him. I won't allow. Don't plead with me. I'm not going to come out. You can get me out of here with anywhere. I'm not getting out here peacefully. It's up to you. Hey, kill me if you want. I'm not coming. Don't plead. I won the election. Why does it matter? I'm behaving like a hooligan. Do what you want to me. Let him announce me. No. Yes, I'm making it intentional. I'm making it intentional. He has called me and said, declare him, yet I won the election. Sure. I've lost enough. You are free to kill me. I'm not coming out. Yes, I put my legs here. You are free to break your legs. You are free to break my legs. I put them here. I'm not getting out. I'm not getting out. I won the election. Sure. Who do you think I am? I'm a member, but I'm behaving like a hooligan. Because you're not mature enough to do what you want to do. No, my friend. No. Tolbert wants to... No. Tolbert wants to declare the person I won. Sure. I won him with a margin of 40,000. And you want to declare him? Sure. Who do you think you are? I won't. Tolbert, behave! Tolbert, behave! I won the election! Don't plead, I'm not getting out of here. Don't waste your time. You can beat me, you can kill me, it's okay. I'm not wasting time, Afande. You can use force, you can leave force. No, you are free to break my hand. You are free to break my hand. I've lost a lot. No, don't call me Afande. Afande, don't call me boss. My name is Najja Nasif. Don't call me boss. Don't call me boss. I'm Najja Nasif.
Are you willing to listen or not?
Tell the officer to declare me because I won the election. But you know the real results. You know the real results, Tolbert. Do the right thing, Tolbert. Don't be forced to do what's not right. I'm not reading here. No. I can't wait for an appeal. I can't wait for an appeal. I want the election. I want the election.
Are you using violence to win an election?
I'm not using violence. That's why I was seated here for the whole day. I got my declaration forms and I tell it I won here with 40,000. A difference. I'm not. Afande. Let me to do what I want. What I want. Let Tolbert do the right thing. No, then I'm forcing Tolbert to do what's not right. Tolbert, let these guys not force you to do what you don't want. You know the truth, Tolbert. I won the election. Well, if I'm chairperson of Workshop District. Afande, do what you want to me. You are free to kill me, you are free to do anything.
We are not here to keep you.
No. But I'm not getting out of here.
Playing Katemba here, sir.
I am also not playing Katemba.
Yes, then you stop this.
You know how much I've invested in the election. That's why I have told you I'm not playing Katemba. I know what I want, and I have my evidence. I want this. No.
Make your query, not the courts of...
Tolbert, do the right thing.
Your election.
Tolbert, do the right thing.
Please.
I, Mizibu Robert, being returning officer for Ewakiso Electoral District, having added up the number of votes cast as recorded on each declaration results form in accordance with section 147 of the Local Government Act, declare that the total number of valid votes cast for each candidate are as follows. Cheine Ian Sengozi, 177,710. Najja Nasif, 99,235. Nakafeo Flavia, 10,587. Accordingly, as returning officer for Ewakiso Electoral District, and in accordance with section 147 of the Local Government Act, I declare Cheine Ian Sengozi, who has obtained the largest number of votes, to be elected candidate for Ewakiso Electoral District.
Wano sigwe mulundi gwange okusoose kubeera omukulembeze wa wano, naye kyenazuula era ne mbadde mbabuulira nti ndina ensonga zange 5. Ensonga esooka mu Lungereza reconciliation, okubudaabuda abantu baffe, era olwaleero lwe lumu ku nnaku ezitulaga nti ddala ekigambo kyenjogerako kikulu, okubudaabuda abantu baffe. Abantu baffe bali bubi, akantu katono kamufuula ekitagasa mu ddakiika budakiika, naye nkimanyi bwe tunaatandika tugenda kusookera kubudaabuda abantu baffe, reconciliation. Ekyokubiri, tugenda kumaliriza projects zonna ze twali tutandise ezitanaggwa, okusookera ddala wano ku headquarter. Headquarter muganda wange agikuumye bulungi, naye waliwo ekizimbe ekitanaggwa, the main building. So tugenda kutandika okirowoozaako, ndowooza mu budget eno esooka kiyinza obutabeeramu, naye eddako kijja kubeeramu. Ekyokusatu, tugenda kukola ku advocacy. Twagala okukola okulaba nga district eno yeeyongeramu abagagga, beeyongera okuyingiramu, bawe abaana baffe emirimu, abantu baleme okukaayanira ekintu kyatalinaako bwannannyini. Olabye enkaayana ezibeerawo, akantu katono oli n'akaayana nnyo, kubanga talina ssuubi kyalina kyanaakola ekirala. So bwe tunaaba tukoze advocacy, tujja kusikiriza abagagga, abazimba zi factory, abazimba amasomero, ebyo byonna bijja kuleeta emirimu mu district. Mujjukira twali tuzimba obutale, nabyo tujja byongeramu amaanyi. Ensonga endala, tugenda kwongera ku bintu ebifaanananga amalwaliro, okulaba nti ddala district ya Ewakiso efuna eddwaliro eddene eryayo eri ku mutendera gwa hospital. Ekyokubiri, okulaba nga district eno eddagala lyeyongerako obungi nga tukozesa lobby okusaka. Okulaba ng'abaana baffe mu masomero gye basomera bayitira waggulu n'omutindo omulungi, kiyamba abaana baffe okuyingira mu university oba n'amatendekero amalala amalungi. Ekirala, tugenda kufuba okulaba ng'enguudo zaffe zikolebwa, naddala ezo mwasanjala ali ku district level tulabe ng'afuna chorus, ne bw'anaaba ono atandikirwako wa low cost. Ekirala, tugenda kufuba okulaba ng'amazzi n'amasannyalaze byeyongera okubuna nga bwe twali tubitandiseeko. Naye ekintu ekikulu kye tulabye, emirimu. Twagala okuteekawo senta y'emirimu. Abavubuka bano beetaaga emirimu, ate n'abazadde balumwa nnyo ng'abaana baabwe basomye nga tebafunye mirimu. So ekigendererwa kyaffe, tugenda kuteekawo job center, nga gwe alina omwana ng'amaze okusoma muleete mu job center. Bw'amala okwewandiisa, bw'anaabangawo omulimu gwonna, tujjanga baweereza message nga tuyita job center. Ate n'oyo akola emirimu egy'embavu naye asobola okujja neyewandiisa, bw'abaawo ayagala abantu ab'okusima emifulejje, abokukola nga bapoota ku site n'ebirala, nabo bajja kufuna obusobozi okufuna emirimu nga tuyita mu job center. Naye okusinga byonna, ngenda kukolagana nammwe abamawulire okubunya enjiri ya district eno eddeeyo ku level ke twali, n'okusingira ddala ng'enkulaakulana yeeyongera mu maka awamu n'ebitundu byaffe bino. Beebaza nnyo abamawulire mutukavalinze nnyo mu kiseera kino era nkakasa timujja kuba abantu amawulire amalungi.